Hey guys, it's me again. It's time for part 2. Sorry, at the end, the footage cut off. I accidentally turned it off. So, we're going to be playing day 2 and potentially day 3 if I have the time. We're starting off from the end of night 1. So, if you want to see that, go watch part 1. And so, I forgot what we were supposed to do. Was need to get a mahino, like, I don't know how to spell that. It's fine. So, we're going to get okay. Yeah, this is hard to control. Okay, you know, I'll hold it with my right. Anyways, I'm having a good old day time currently. Okay. But I'm doing this so I can get mail. Weird report. The smell of freshly sawed wood is just arousing. Okay. Sorry, yeah, it's hard to see. Mini rock. Press W to increase the angle. Spider. Oh, visitors! Okay, I don't know the second person. Prowler's glad to have visitors. Prowler's very lonely. Okay, I'll stop the voice. Ah, beaver! Oh no! Are you here to destroy Prowler's beautiful flowers? And I'll stop that. Don't lie to me. I know a plant killer when I see one. I am going to avenge all the trees you've chopped down before. This will be your end game. Oh, what? Oh, shit. Now, what do I do? I'm not prepared for this. I don't know. What do? Do you just dodge him? Spray water? Oh, you spray water on him. Walk for the pain. Oh no. You can't do anything when he gets to you. Pray to God he just walked far enough. I'm liking the game so far. I don't know. It's fine. Alright, now that I know how to do this, let's try it. So all I have to do is just walk far enough away from him. Alright, so I drop down there from the far right so he won't get to me. And I go to the far left. And then No! No! Ah, dang, I could have survived there. Oh! Alright, it's fine. Okay, 2 hearts left. Oh, God. Oh, so he doesn't... Okay. Okay, stay right there. I think 3 hits should be enough, right? Oh. Whoop. Well, that was fun. Did not know that would happen. Can you click to move? Oh. You can't. No, you can't move. You can't move. I see there. So yeah. Okay. Alright, well that's magic cave. I can't go in there, I think. So I know this game is technically a sequel, but I'm going to be treating it as a standalone game considering this isn't official. As far as I'm aware, it's not official. So no, I will not make a Tyke&sons. I think it was named Chipper. Okay, what was the task again? Yeah. I'm just gonna be walking on to the town. Oh, birds. This is a coffee place here. I think I remember something. A.D. Alright. No, 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 no. They're dropping. Damn it. We're dropping like flies here, people. Oh. Butter. I forgot what they were called. How can I forget like one of the most iconic things from FNAF Television? Exotic butters. Exotic butters. This is drink bag. Yeah, you like that. Snacks. Drinks. There. Another drink. Oh, well, I could have gotten that. No. Drink. See a slight decrease in snacks. Too bad. What did I do wrong? Okay, yeah. I think I just need to. Please anything else. No, you just have to go with the flow. Damn it. Nope, sorry. Jeez. I didn't read it, so that's probably what I'm doing wrong. I'm doing something wrong. Oh, it's the mushroom guy. I know him. Oh, dang it. Too bad. Okay. Wait, stop. Try that again and actually read the instructions. I have a feeling it's 200 I have to reach. 250? Oh my god, it was worse than I thought it was. Alright. You know, I gotta set like a stand. Something like record this. I cannot. Oh. Yeah, I don't have a really stand, so gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Ah! Ah, my god. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm wasting too much time. Space. It's alright, I think I have a strategy. But I have got to real quickly get a stand. So, I'll see you in a little bit. I just gotta place stand. Alright, I'm back. Hopefully with a stand that will work. Oh, it's not big enough. It sucks. This could work. Oh, God. Alright, yeah, we're just gonna have to settle with this. Alright. Okay. Let's see if I can get a sound from downstairs. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for leaving the camera on, my phone on, you know. But, I'm not really good at editing, so I was gonna have to say it, and it's gonna be a long video. So, if I can work this properly, maybe this can work. Okay, hold on. Alright, now you can kinda see it better, and I won't have to just go back to using my hand. That's two. Okay. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so yes. Alright, let's do this. You know, it's kinda funny. That's not very funny. Is I better doing this with my left hand than my right hand. I wish I could like double stack them, and if I can, then I just wasted. Come on, Jesus. Alright, it's already 100. Okay, this is hard to do. I wish I can like, because it goes so slow, which might be the entire point. Maybe I'm just a little bit cuckoo in the head. What the fuck? Oh. I'm getting closer, really, so that's actually a good thing. Alright guys, it's, this is actually a second recording. I'm going to edit this in, the iPhone, I think, Apple Movie Maker or something. So, we're going to continue, and we've got to finish the minute game and, you know, do all the stuff I wanted to do. So, let's do that. And if it cuts out again, I'll just, make a new clip and, edit it together. Alright. Ah. Alright, I think we're going to do this, ironically, on the second take of the video. Let's drink. Oh, no. Ah! Dang it. Let's see if we can do that again. Nope. Dang it. Dang it, what? Ah, close. Eyes, why do they burn? Don't do that. You know, let's just primarily focus on the drinks. For some reason, I feel like that's a good idea. Probably not, actually. I'm pressing space. Jesus. Okay, well, that's great. I was busy. Mm. Alright. Ah! Dang it! Did it! I did it! Yeah! It's only been 9 minutes. Jeez. Alright. Take it. Maybe. Maybe I didn't. Oh, I've seen that face before. The yellow one. Oh. Oh. I'm going to go now. That was weird. Yeah. Okay, maybe this is the right coffee, right? Oh God, it's Johnny the alien worm. Prize one. Alright, yeah, I'm not looking for any of that. Okay, I think I've got it. I think that's a big I think. Dad, please. If this is not it, I'm going to explode. No, I can't explode. You can't get it, Mike. What is... Alright, so how do I make a rock farm? I'm actually not. Let's just do this. And I'm going to see plans. Alright, so yeah, we can put one of those. Frog shed. We don't need that. rock farm. Good rock. Let's try our luck and kill some of these little weird brown guys. That sounds bad out of context. Wow, this red lumber. Jesus, they're all red lumber. Got ropes. I need rocks. Maybe I should try paying for a good rock. Cause let me check the plans. A good rock and a flower pot. Alright, maybe I'll try one of the games, see if I can get anything from that. Okay, I got spider. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but that's how say it, not spell it. Become a pretty long video combined, so oh, I got a good rock. Now all I need is a flower pot, which is a good thing. And if I get a flower pot from one of these, I'm going to turn into a flower. Got an old song. Nice. Alright, can I get a flower pot from any of these? No, I cannot. Banana. Did I just say banana? I meant hot dog spider thing. I'm more like centipede, but you know, who cares really? Old flower. I only got 1 coin. Goodbye. I wonder if this thing's probably inspired by Markiplier, YouTuber that I don't really watch, but I know a lot about. Five coins. Ooh. 11? That could be enough. No! I don't even know. I need some more lumber. Argument or whatever crap says. My crap doesn't say anything. I mean, I'll play it, dude. If I can get money for it, I mean. Okay. Out of order. Can I play anything here? Alright, so create an infinite amount, no, infinite, but an infinite farming of this one particular spot. I think that should be enough. branches. Mail. 2 lumber. Make lumber. Then how much lumber do I have now? I think I gotta check the bag. I got 9 lumber. Hello, I like money. I need a lot of lumber. I have 11 lumber. 11 louds a leaping. I just need to die. Why did I say that? Oh, I'm just thinking of what's a YouTuber. What am I doing in my life? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a really long video. Checking the time, how long it's going. Gonna be a long video. Hopefully, I can get something. In my darkest hour, I got lumber, which might be enough. Pretty enough, right? What lumber do I have? 2. This sucks. Practice, yeah man, I raise something to the wall. If it's me, if I ever clear, I'd be standing so tall. Oh, wait, get him. See what he's got. I got an old saw. There's no, can't see it. Alright, let's make some lumber. And that should... I need more lumber! At the right time. Now, I can get a flower pot, I don't know why I said part, from Mark. There we go, bada boom, bada bing, baby. That was weird, I would never say that again. Now, that's actually gonna be something because I can craft a rock farm. The bird. I'm assuming Seabell's house is across the way from where we used to make the tree and from lumber in the town. I've never gotten this far in the game, so... past the side, depressed bird. There it is. Click on it. The birdhouse. To meet Seabill. I don't feel like reading all of that. Was it? Sure. I'm assuming the crabs are here. Let's see and check the plans. Bamboo. If I have to make all of this, I'm going to make walk rover a raccoon. How extraordinary. You're fascinating. And they grow up fast. Oh, okay. By the way, that was a nice voice acting, I would say myself. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I will make part 3 doing night 2 and the rest of day 3. Bye.